Hello, welcome to Beae. In this video, I will show you how to save your page or section to your library. By saving action, you can use that template for your after project. This functionality seems very easy, but it's an important feature to help you save time and money while staying in building page process. This action helps you to store your own pages. To access Save features, you have to click on the small down arrow next to the Publish button to see. There are two basic ways to store your page: Save as draft and Save to library. We will start with the Save as a draft. So after saving the page as a draft, all of them will be stored in the draft Save library, and this icon only shows when you have at least one draft item, so make sure that you have created one. Save to the library. This action will save the current version of the page to your personal library. Make sure to fill the template name first, and it will help you to find your page version more easily. Okay, so that's how we can save the whole page. How about the sections? Click the right mouse on this edit section icon to save that section as a template. We're gonna need to fill out the name, and now we'll go to the Beae library to see it. You can also change your Save template name by double-clicking or hitting the edit icon next to it on the My Template tab. By saving your project, you can save your ideas for the next time. Thanks for watching this video, and we hope you can turn on your notification so that you won't miss out any interesting introduction or tutorial videos from Beae. See you next time!